Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own margarita mix. Making your own mix is incredibly simple and allows for a truly fresh taste. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients. You'll need fresh lime juice, a good quality orange liqueur, and a sweetener like agave nectar or simple syrup. Using fresh ingredients makes all the difference, so pick out those juicy limes. Now, let's talk about the perfect balance for your mix. A widely accepted ratio for margarita is 2 parts tequila, 1 part lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. For your pre-made mix, focus on the lime and sweetener. A great starting point is combining 2 parts fresh lime juice with 1 part agave nectar or simple syrup. You can always add more sweetener later to suit your taste. Once you have your desired ratio, it's time to mix and store. Simply combine your fresh lime juice and chosen sweetener in a pitcher or a sealable jar. Stir everything together really well until the sweetener is completely dissolved. Then, transfer your delicious homemade mix into an airtight container. When refrigerated, your fresh margarita mix will stay perfectly good for about 5 to 7 days, ready for your next happy hour. Finally, let's talk about serving and some fun variations. To make a classic margarita, combine 2 ounces of your favorite tequila with 1 ounce of your homemade mix and 1 ounce of orange liqueur. Shake it vigorously with ice, then strain into a salt-trimmed glass. Don't be afraid to get creative. Try adding a 1/4 cup of fruit puree, like strawberry or mango, for a fruity twist. You can even top it with a splash of sparkling water for a lighter, refreshing option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.